Hey everyone, Cody here. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to create an exit pop-up in Builderall. What that basically is when you're on a website and you go over to exit out, a pop-up will appear on the screen and will offer to give away something for free or maybe a coupon code. And it's just another way to help keep visitors on your website and to make extra leads and sales possibly. This is video number 10 in the How to Build a Website in Builderall series. So first of all, let's go to our home and our Builderall account. And we're going to go to our Cheetah Builder, click Enter. All right. And as you can see, we're working on our animal rescue fictitious website. This is just for demo purposes. It's on a real website. It's not live. So go and click Edit Site. Go and head on over to the where it says Global Elements. Underneath it says Pop-ups. Go ahead and click that. As you can see here, I have a demo one set up, so I'm going to delete that right now. Okay. And what we're going to do now is click the plus button. And we're going to name this the Vet Pop-up. Click Save. And now to edit this, we'll just hit Edit Pop-up. And first of all, we want to add a panel. Click Add Panels. And we're just going to add a blank panel. There we go. We're going to delete this dummy text. Okay. This text just shows up, let you know that there's nothing here. It's not actual text, so you don't need to worry about that. And we're also going to click the panel, so the edit window pops up. We're going to pop this out. Go to Settings. Go back to Elements. And we're going to add an image. So scroll down. Going to drag, click. And we want a horizontal image. Drag it over here. There we go. Going to make this a little bit bigger. All right. We're going to put this in the middle. Close it out. Okay, that's about right. Okay. So we've created our panel and our image container to create our pop-up, but we also have to create our pop-up. So how are we going to do that? First of all, we're going to use a online software tool called Canva, and this is going to allow you to create your own graphics without using Photoshop. And Canva is great because it's free. So that's what the tool we're going to use today to create our pop-up graphic. So we're going to go up to the plus icon up here. We're going to type in Canva. That's canva.com. Okay. And if you haven't created an account yet, you can go ahead to the top corner and create an account. It is free. They do offer a premium plan, which is amazing. However, you don't need it for this example. So what we're going to do first is go over here to where it says Custom Size. We're going to click that. Under Width, we're going to type in 600 pixels. Under Height, 300 pixels. So we want it more wide than it is tall. And we're going to create New Design. There we go. So this is the edit area. Over on the left side is the where you find your elements and your text and your background. Over on the far left is the menu. You see we have our elements. You can upload your own images. Text, you add text. background color and textures and images. And we'll talk about more later. Let's go up to templates right now for now. Up on top, we're going to see the title. And we're going to give this a new name. Call this a vet pop-up graphic. Okay, click anywhere outside. And over here, we'll see if it has saved or not. To manually save, just click File and Save. Now this changes to all changes saved. So let's first create the pop-up using a template. I'm going to look down. Let's use this one. We can always change the colors and text as we go. I'm going to click this and delete. This and delete. This, click, and delete as well. And we're going to change the text to match our veterinarian pop-up. So let's click, let's choose, click the button below for a 10% off coupon on your next visit. Now, as you can see, the text is pretty large, so we're going to go ahead and highlight this whole text. Up top is your edit menu for your text. It is contextual, so no matter what you click an image, it'll change. Background, it'll change. And text, of course, it changes. Up here, we can see that the font, I like to choose Lato. And bold, it's already on bold. And we're going to adjust the text so it's smaller. I like that a lot. Let's go do it here. You can also move it, and if you see that those pink lines, it shows you where it's centered at. Okay. Now let's get rid of these graduation images because we don't need them for our vet example. So go ahead and click, hit the backspace or delete button. And we want to see if we can find some images of animals. So we go to Elements, type in animals. As you can see, we have a bunch of images right here. Some of them are GIFs, so they can move, and you can add them to your social media content to have animated posts. Let's go ahead and see. Let's type in the dog. There we go. As you can see, if you hover over the image, it displays if it's free, or if you go down, you're going to see some things that are paid. So you need Pro to purchase this. So let's go ahead and top, and let's choose this one. As you can see, it's much too large for the image. Go over here, and we're going to size it down. We're going to choose this one as well. This one's a little bit better size, so we're going to put this over here. Now, as you can see, we have our images, and I'm going to keep these these items right here just because they add a little bit more style to it. But what I want to do is I want to change the color. So I'm going to choose this background. Click anywhere that's not an image or text, and you can choose a background. I'm going to make this white. So I'm going to go down to the default colors all the way, and it's white. I'm going to change this text to a blue. So when you click the text, up here at the top, right here under text color, I'm going to choose a blue. Also going to change this to a blue. After you choose a color, it will appear in the document colors. And what I want to do is I want to create another color, a darker color. Okay. There we go. So as you can see, we have our colors that more closely match to our website. Now I want to add a button, and that's going to be the button that they click to go to the 10% coupon. So under elements, I'm going to go ahead and type in button. And here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different buttons we can choose from. I'm just going to choose the red one right here. As you can see, it's much too large. Okay, there we go. I'm going to try and zoom in here. And let's add some text. We're going to shrink that. Right here. I'm going to center it better. There we go. I'm going to type in click for coupon. All right, that's a little too big, so we're going to adjust that a little bit so it fits. Click again, and center that. Now I want the button to be a different color, so we're going to click the button. I want that to be the darker blue. And the text, we want that to be white. There we go. Let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit. As you can see, we have our pop-up created. We have the click the button below for a 10% off coupon. We have our little animal characters here, and we also have the button. Now to save this, we're going to click File and Save. And to download it, go ahead and click the download button up here. I recommend a PNG. That's going to be the best quality for you to choose. And then click download. All right, I'm going to choose where I want this at. It's going to save that. You can go ahead and click this out. This is just a advertisement for you to choose the Canva Pro. Okay, so our graphic is downloaded. Now I've already created my own graphic ahead of time. So this is just an example. But what I've done here is I've created my own. So on the home page, I click this. As you can see, it has the logo, the call to action, and the button. Also has a dog image, and the colors match my website. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and download this PNG, download. We're going to choose where that goes, and let's go ahead and save. Okay, after we download the images, we can go ahead and close down the Canva. Close down that. And we're back in our pop-up window. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and click this settings panel out and click edit. Under general settings, we're going to click change image. And we want to upload the image we just downloaded. So we'll go ahead and click select file. It's right here. All right, go ahead and click that. Click save. As you can see, our image is waiting for us in our container. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Click and drag. There we go. Move this towards the middle. Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to save. Go ahead and click the save button. Go click that's fine. Okay, and we want to do one more thing. We want to click on the panel. And under background settings, we want to change the color all the way to transparent. There's a little bar here with a checkered pattern. All the way is white, or whatever color you've chosen, and all the way over here to the left is transparent. And that'll make this so it's on a white box around our pop-up when it does pop up. Go ahead and click Save. And that's fine. Okay. Now we can go and click out of the pop-up. On our home page, go back to the website builder, Cheetah. Click Edit Site. Go over the side under Pop-ups. Click Pop-up. On our pop-up for our veterinarian website, click Settings. Make sure that's saved. Now we want to go back to our pages. So on the left-hand side, click My Pages. And we're going to start on the home page. So we're going to Edit Page. And let's go ahead and click Save. That's fine. And click Go to Website. This is how our visitors are going to see our website. And as you can see, it's blank besides the footer and the header and the first fold content. If you go up to our X button, and as you can see, there's no pop-up. So what we have to do is we have to set pop-ups per page. So let's click out of this, close. Go ahead and click Exit and leave. And on our home page, we're going to click the settings icon and settings again. These are our general settings per page. So under pop-up settings, we want to go to Vet Pop-up. Mobile is also the same. And now once we do that, it opens up a bunch more of our settings. We want this to be an exit pop-up, so click Exit. Under Mobile, we want this to stay on the time-based. Because on mobile, the website doesn't know where you're hovering over. So let's go ahead and do that. Down, okay. So 30 seconds, it'll pop up. Size, we want auto. Overlay enabled. Okay. I want to click Save. All right. Now on the home page, let's go ahead and click the settings. Click Go to Website. Go over here and head over to here. And as you can see, nothing happens. So what we need to do is we need to set a link for our pop-up. We're going to click off this. Go to the pop-up section. Edit pop-up. All right, and click on the image and set link icon. Go and click that. And if you had a custom URL that, say, you want the pop-up to take you to outside of your website, you would click that here, you would paste that here, and then probably open in a new tab. We want to link this to one of our pages. So we click the page, and I already created a Claim Your Coupon page. Go ahead and click that. And since it's on our own website, we can click Open in Same tab. Go down and hit Select. Click Save. That's fine. And we want to do one more thing. We want to create an overlay, which is a darkened background, and it just draws the visitor's focus on the pop-up. So we click the panel, and under Overlay Settings, click that and click the Enable button. Want a solid color, you can click a gradient as well. We're going to choose a black, and then we're going to choose a opacity. So we want that kind of, you have it see-through. So go ahead and click the color. It's going to be our preview. Of course, you're not going to see anything behind it on the preview. We're going to go ahead and click Save. That's fine. Go ahead and exit out of there. Click Leave. I want to enter the Cheetah Builder one more time. Click Edit. I'm going to click Settings on our home page. Scroll down to the pop-up. Make sure all information is correct. So we chose Vet pop-up. We still want an exit pop-up, of course. Overlay is enabled, and size is auto. You can click full size to see how that looks. And we want to be the. Let's go ahead and let's choose auto. See how that works. Click Save. Now let's click our settings icon and then go to Website. There we go. As I move the mouse over, the pop-up, of course, popped up, and the background darkened slightly. So I actually want the background to maybe be a little dark, a little more dark. As you can see here, this is our exit button. It's very easy to see. Go ahead and click this. I want to click on this, and I want to adjust the pop-up one more time, just to be a little darker. Edit, pop-up. Okay, I want to click on the panel, overlay settings. Click on the color. I'm going to make this a little darker. There we go. Go ahead and click Save. That's fine. Go to our home, save and exit. Go to our home page over here. Go to Website. Now, as you can see, I move my mouse over, and it pops up. Now, the nice thing is we do have a button here, and they can click the button, but the whole image is clickable, so it really doesn't matter where they click. It'll take them to the page I want them to. And as you know before, we changed it to the page, the coupon page. So when we click it, it takes us to the Claim Your Coupon page. It says, thank you. Click the button below to claim your 10% off coupon for your next visit. And they click the button, and they sign up and get 10% off. So that's the video number 10 in our Builderall series. If you have any questions or comments, or if you'd like a video topic for me to cover, maybe another tutorial, go ahead and put it down in the comments below. Also, if you'd like a 30-day $1 trial to Builderall, I have my affiliate link down in the description down below. I want to thank you for watching this video and taking the time out of your busy life to watch it. Until next time, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day and take care.